Guys, I'm sick. I can't go out. I really can't. But I got a new Stanley yesterday. I don't feel good. I can't throw up, but I don't feel good. At least I got slime from Slime Kitchen. It's cloud slime. But I still don't feel good. I'm very grateful to the mall yesterday. Took the day off school. I'm the luckiest girl in the world. But I don't feel good.